Hey there, today I have a Stitch Fix to unbox. So if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it's an online styling service and I've been doing Stitch Fix for about 3 years now and I do really like it, and to be honest it is one of my favorite services. But lately I haven't been doing Stitch Fix as often. I used to do it monthly, but it's been about 2 months since my last box just because of everything that's going on around the world. But anyway, I did order a box. I actually had requested it to arrive last month and I'm filming this on May 4th, but unfortunately the box was delayed, and I noticed on their website Stitch Fix says they are experiencing shipping delays. And also another thing, they said they're temporarily extending their try-on window to 10 days. So that's nice, so you don't have to rush to return it. Yeah, because nowadays we don't leave the house as often, right? And another thing with Stitch Fix, it is really easy to extend it further online or through their app. I was actually really excited when I saw that I got my Stitch Fix box, just because it had been a while and I think it's just something that, you know, I always look forward to, and it just kind of gives me a sense of normalcy, and it's something I think we need, that kind of normalcy in our lives right now, whatever it may be. But let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so here's what my box looks like inside. And you always have a prepaid mailer to send anything you don't want back. And you have a packet of information. And here's a peek at my bundle. It looks pretty cheerful, I think. Okay, so with Stitch Fix, you always get some style cards. And I think these are very helpful for me because it does give me ideas on how to wear all the items. And you also get a note from your stylist. Who's that? Okay, and my daughter just walked in, so I'm just gonna be filming it with her in the room. Right, Chris? Mm-hmm. Okay, and phew, as always, my stylist is Holly. I was a bit worried because I know with everything that's going on, you know, I wasn't sure if I'd still get Holly. Okay, so I'm gonna read my note, and what I'll do is I'll scan it and put it up above so you can read it too, but I'm gonna go ahead and read it. Yeah, so Holly has been my stylist for, you know, almost the entire time for the 3 years that I've been doing Stitch Fix. And you know, she really is amazing and awesome. And Holly, if you're out there, hi. And thank you, and I hope you're staying safe. Okay, but anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Okay, how is this even possible? Is this too funny? This shirt is the same fabric that I'm wearing. Okay, so she really does get my style, although this is not from Stitch Fix. I got this top from Golden Tote, and Golden Tote is a company that I don't think they're around anymore. They said they were going to take a break, but they haven't come back, and it's been kind of a long time. I think it's been about at least 6 months, maybe longer. But this is very ironic. I was like, hey, this looks familiar. This is just like a t-shirt top, you see? And with the same fabric. It's a really cute print, and this is like one of my favorite tops I've ever gotten from Golden Tote. Okay, and this is the PAPERMOON Jam Square Neck Cap Sleeve Knit Top Off-White size medium. Okay, and this one is, what is this? $38. So $38 for this. It's just a basic t-shirt. Okay, interesting. All right, next. Okay, I got this top. This is kind of different, and you'll see it's kind of more of a cotton material. It has these stripes. It does have tab sleeves, which yeah, I'm not so sure about the tab sleeves, but it is really cute. I love the print. It's got these really colorful stripes. And this is by JOHNPAULRICHARD, and it's the Cilian split neck top and size medium, and it's $44. So yeah, I kind of like this. It's different for me. I don't have anything like this. I typically wear a lot of florals. I don't know if you've noticed, but I do like stripes too. Okay, next, this is another top. This is definitely a work top. It's by Mix by 41 Hawthorn, and it's the Palila tie detail knit top in size medium, and it is $36. Okay, so that is not a bad price. This is really cute, actually. I like it. It's just a knit stretchy material, very comfortable. The tie, I guess you can untie it and yeah, very cute. Okay, next I have a dress. Okay, and this is the style. I love this style. It's also by Mix from 41 Hawthorn, and it's kind of a navy color. It has like a faux wrap in the front and flutter sleeves. And this is the Elisse Surplice Bodice knit dress, size medium in navy, and it's $48. So that's not a bad price for this dress. And it's super soft and just it's a comfortable dress. But yeah, this is definitely something that I wouldn't wear at home, but I would definitely wear it to work. So we'll see. Cute. And lastly, okay, I have a pair of pants. These are nice. I don't think I have pants like these. And this is a Stitch Fix exclusive. It's by Cosmic Blue Love, and it's the Moriah straight leg pant in green in a 6 petite. And how much are these? These are $78. Okay, so $78 for these jeans. So yeah, I would say that's about what a pair of pants or jeans cost from Stitch Fix, typically $78. So yeah, not cheap, but okay, so that was everything I got from my Stitch Fix box this month. And yeah, some really cute things. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so we're filming outside again today, since a lot of you liked it that other time that I filmed outside. It's about 1:30, so pretty bright, so I decided to try to like be closer to shade. So the background's probably not as nice. I need to do some landscaping. Maybe I'll do some gardening, you know, since we're kind of all stuck at home. We'll see. Okay, so here's the first top. And it's cute. It's kind of a stripy tunic length top, and it has tab sleeves, which I've rolled up. But yeah, I mean, it's just a nice casual top, and I have it paired with, these are jeans that I got from Stitch Fix. I think it was like the Fix before, and I just have it with these sandals. And I think actually that's kind of a cute look. I'm not sure if this is a stay-at-home look for me though, because I think it's too nice to stay at home. But yeah, I think it's cute and different. Okay, so here is the top that I have the same print of in another top, and the green pants. And I just wore them together because in her note, Holly said that it would look cute together, and I have to agree, I think it does. And yeah, this is, even though I do have this print, you know, in a different top, I do really like this actually. It's very simple. And this fabric is kind of a polyester kind of stretch fabric, so it's very easy to wear, wash and wear. And these pants seem to fit just right. I do have green pants, but not like this particular more faded look. So yeah, these are cute, and they're high-waisted, and I just have them with some tan flats. Tried to style it according to style card, and also follow her note. So anyway, yeah, very nice, I think. So I'm definitely considering keeping this. Okay, and here is that bow tie top. And I just have it front tucked into some white jeans, and these are capri or crop length jeans that are from Talbot's. And yeah, I think this is actually a really cute top. I like the way, oops, shucks. I like the way it looks with white jeans and front tucked. You could also probably just wear it out. Yeah, and I think that looks cute too. But yeah, I mean, it's just very comfortable, easy to wear. I guess the bow gives it something. You could probably just have it like untie it and then just have it like that. And that would look okay. But I kind of like it with the bow. Okay, yeah, so this is definitely a possibility, and I think the price was $36, which isn't bad. Okay, so here's the dress. And yeah, so this is a very pretty dress. I would say this is definitely something I would wear if I were going to work. But I don't know. I love the style. It's a faux wrap, and it has flutter sleeves, so I think those are it's very flattering. And it is a little low, so I just wore a camisole underneath. And yeah, I mean, it's just a perfect dress for me, I think. But I don't know. I mean, right now I definitely don't need it, but it's something I would definitely wear, you know, sometime in the future. Oops, there's the wind. Okay, but anyway. Okay, so we're back indoors with the air conditioning, and yeah, so let me know how you guys like the outdoor try-ons. I know I did one earlier, I can't remember, I think it was for my fashion unboxing, and there were a bunch of you that actually kind of like the outdoor try-on, and it is kind of nice to have, I guess, a change of scenery, I think. And you know, since I'm in Hawaii, we do have the warm weather, so it's gotten pretty warm. I'm not sure what the temperature is today, but it did feel kind of humid out there today, but not too bad, and I tried to stay in the shade. But let me know what you guys think. Okay, also, as far as the fix, I think, you know, as always, my stylist Holly did a great job. You know, she really does get my style, yet she also puts in some pieces that are kind of different that I wouldn't necessarily have chosen for myself. All right, and this is fix number 38 for me. Wow, that is a lot, I think. And the total for all 5 pieces prior to discount would be $244. If I were to keep all 5, I'd get 25% off, which comes out to a $61 discount, which brings the subtotal to $183. And I do have the style pass, so I don't have to pay the $20 styling fee. But I also have some credit. So yeah, I guess there were a couple of you that signed up, so I do have $49 in credit. So yeah, thank you so much to those of you who have signed up. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, so that's nice. And my order total with the discount and the credit would be $134 if I kept everything. I think that's not bad. So I definitely consider doing the 5 for 5. I haven't done a fix for so long, and I haven't had a 5 for 5 in ages, honestly. Okay, so but as far as the items go, I don't know. I'm not sure what my favorites were. I mean, actually I did really love this dress. It's so flowy, comfortable, just easy to wear. But I don't know if it's too similar, because I do have a bunch of dresses that are already in this style. So what I think I'll do is I'll go look in my closet and see what dresses I already have. But I really did like this one, so we'll see. I mean, this might be a keeper. And this dress was only $48. So $48 for this dress is not bad. And then if you get the 25% off, you know, that drops it to $36. So that is a really good price. And actually, I was kind of surprised by this top. When I first pulled it out, I didn't think it was that special. And especially with the bow tie, I thought it was really cute and different from what I usually wear. And so comfortable. I love this kind of material. It's just easy care knit. What is it? Is it polyester? Okay, this is 96% polyester, 5% spandex. This would actually be good for travel also, because you know, you could probably hand wash this and just hang it in your hotel room if you ever travel. But yeah, I really like this. I like that. Not too sure about this striped top, so let me know what you guys think. Different from my usual style for sure, but I thought it was kind of nice. It was comfortable, definitely, and kind of a change of pace. It had a more kind of a earthy vibe, I think. But yeah, cute. This is hilarious, but yeah, this top was actually really cute. I mean, I know it's just the same print, so but I do really love this top. I could love this one too. I don't know though, 2 of the same print, we'll see. But it is a totally different style, and I do like the neckline. It's that squared neckline. Okay. Lastly, these pants, let me know what you think. I actually really like these, but again, I'm gonna have to go through my closet and see what pants I already have. Like I know I have a pair of green skinnies that are like this, and I'm pretty sure I have a pair of pixie pants, but I kind of like the way these fit. I like the high waist, and you know, the cuff is cute and the length was just right. This is kind of a nice cotton viscose spandex blend, So yeah, I kind of like the way this feels, and I like the wash on this is cute. I mean, actually, I've been really happy with the jeans that I got from Stitch Fix recently, and they were from brands that I actually hadn't heard of before, but I just decided to take a chance and I kept them, and I've been actually really happy. The two jeans that I received the last few fixes have been, you know, some of my go-tos, you know, like whenever I wear jeans, which isn't that often anymore, I tend to gravitate towards those. But yeah, right now, it's pretty much yoga pants every day. Okay, but anyway, let me know what you guys thought of the clothes. Is it a 5 for 5? Should I just go for it, treat myself? Hey, happy Mother's Day to me. Let me know. Okay, so that's all I have for today's video. And I hope everyone is staying safe and staying strong and staying busy. I mean, sometimes it can be very challenging staying busy at home. I'm not really following any kind of routine. It seems like every day is just like, I don't know what day it is already. What is today? I think it's Monday. It's a little bit crazy, but I have been doing a lot more cooking, which I had stopped cooking after my kids went to college, and now I've been cooking more, but nothing exciting. I'm not like a gourmet or anything, so just simple stuff. I've also been trying to organize things. One project I did was I got all my Christmas cards from the beginning of time, scanned them, and then made them into a slideshow. So I thought that was productive. I'm thinking about doing that for all my kids' school photos. Yeah, I'm sure they're gonna love it. But anyway, now it's time to say goodbye, and Miss Molly the cat is not around, but I have my two furry companions, Sammy and Kaya. Let's get Sammy, who's just kind of looking at me side-eye. But I'll get some treats first, actually. That'll make her happy. Okay, here we go. And we are back with these, what are these? Pepperonis? Except I don't have a full stick anymore. I've broken them, so this is probably like just less than a quarter each, but they're still pretty big, I think. But yeah, Sammy, which one do you want? You want this slightly bigger piece, or do you want the smaller piece? Here, you choose. She goes for the big piece. No surprise. And here, Kai, you get the smaller one. Well, she's a smaller dog. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.